A big hello to class 10 students. This is Radhika Atre from Holy Hearts Educational Academy, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Students, what do you think? What will happen if somebody loves you beyond limits? Let me tell you. What I feel is that if somebody loves you beyond limit, then definitely either you are going to get spoiled or you are going to become a weak person who's not able to take your own decision, and plus you are going to be a lazy person because you are going to get everything in your hands. The same theme is of my today's video. Today, in this video, I have brought you the very first lesson of English language and literature, footprint book, The Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot. There are three main characters of our lesson. The very first character is, of course, James Herriot. He is a veterinary doctor. The second character is Mrs. Pumphrey, and Mrs. Pumphrey is a rich single lady who has a dog, and she loves her dog a lot. And of course, the third character is the dog. The name of the dog is Tricky. Now, here James Herriot, Dr. James Herriot is our narrator. Now, this narrator, he is on his way in a car and he sees Mrs. Pumphrey along with Tricky on a walk. So he stops the car and he asks Mrs. Pumphrey about Tricky's welfare, because what he sees is that Tricky has become very fat and he was not able to move easily. But when Mrs. Pumphrey told him that he's being little bit lazy, but apart from that there is no issues, Dr. Herriot didn't had any other option but just to warn Mrs. Pumphrey that she should restrict Tricky's diet, and she should also make him do his exercise. After this, when the narrator went back, he knew that in a very short time he is going to get a call from Mrs. Pumphrey, and his assumptions were very correct. In a few days' time, he got a frantic call from Mrs. Pumphrey, telling the narrator that Tricky is very sick. He has lost his appetite and he has also started vomiting. So what narrator did was he went to Mrs. Pumphrey and he decided that he had to tell Mrs. Pumphrey that he has to take Tricky to his clinic for 15 long days, and then only it is possible that Tricky is going to get cured, because he knew that putting Tricky on a strict diet was the only option through which Tricky is going to get well, and if he is going to stay with Mrs. Pumphrey, it is not going to be possible for Tricky to get recovered. Mrs. Pumphrey, with a very heavy heart, she allowed the narrator to take Tricky. But do you know what she did? When the narrator was taking Tricky back, she started stuffing the narrator's car with all sorts of Tricky's beddings and toys and his bowls of having different meals and all sorts of things. And the narrator was quite surprised at how pampered she has made Tricky, and how much love she gives to Tricky, and all sorts of things that should not be given to Tricky she gives, like cream cakes and chocolates and wine and brandy and all those things. Now when the narrator has taken Tricky to his clinic, he has put Tricky on a strict diet. Tricky, because he had become very fat, he was not able to move, he had become very lazy, and for a couple of days he was given only water, and he also did not ask for anything else, and he was not even interested in the other animals or in the other pets that were there in the narrator's clinic. Now, after 2 days, when Tricky started feeling better, what he did was he started looking for the other pets' bowls for food. That showed that Tricky was recovering and has gained appetite. And the narrator was continuously in touch with Mrs. Pumphrey, telling him the whereabouts, telling him about the welfare of Tricky. And when Mrs. Pumphrey came to know that Tricky is recovering slowly, she started sending him eggs, wines, brandy, so that his appetite gets nourished, he gets a good diet, and he won't be feeling weak. But the narrator knew that it was not correct for him to give the eggs and wines and brandy and all the things that Mrs. Pumphrey used to send for Tricky. So he and his assistant, they used to enjoy the treat that was sent for Tricky. And within 15 days, Tricky had become a playful dog again. He used to enjoy the company of the other pets that were there in the clinic. And then after 15 days, the narrator knew that now he cannot keep Tricky any longer, because he knew that Mrs. Pumphrey loved Tricky a lot and that he should give back Tricky to Mrs. Pumphrey. So when Mrs. Pumphrey came, the chauffeur, he opened the door, and Tricky was in the narrator's hands, and the moment he saw his mistress, he very happily ran towards his mistress and very lovingly was in her laps. And by the time both the mistress and the dog were trying to catch up with the loss that they had made of 15 days, the narrator had that much time along with the chauffeur to load the things that Mrs. Pumphrey had sent for Tricky. So students, wasn't I right when I said that if you are loved beyond limits, or if you are pampered, there are two things that can happen, that either you get yourself spoiled, or you are going to become lazy and you are going to weak you are going to be weak and won't be able to take your decisions. So yes, of course, loving with a limit is always good, but nobody should cross that limits, because if you love somebody, you should also take it into your mind that there shouldn't be any kind of loss of that person because of your love. So students, before I end this video, a small task again, like every time, and the task is, I want you to write a small character sketch of Mrs. Pumphrey. I know that you are being a good citizen, you are staying home, and please stay home till the next orders. Stay home, stay safe. Till then, bye bye.